gonna get tight. This looking guy. Oh, this shit's about to get real, boy. Let's get on the Seatow. Alright, focus on Seatow. No, he's gonna go out. Fucking Danny style. He's just like, Oh yeah. Ka. Back it. Back it. Oh yeah. Turning. Burning. Ka. Tight. Rope tight. Alright. Just tighten it down. Our guy's tying it down. Alright, he's about to power up. Show you power. Give it some juice. Once he goes tight, I'm gonna fucking watch. He's tight. Now throttle. And I'm gonna pan left quick. Pan left. Nothing. Pan right. Fucking. Alright, it's turning. Trim it all the way up. It's turning. Alright, let's check this out. He's gonna fucking gas it. Gas money. Oh yeah. On the tow hook. Alright. Oh, that rope is fucking. Tweet. Hey, go to the front. Go as front as you can. Go to the front. Alright, they went to the front. They are off. Thank you. Oh shit.